Hey everybody, Jim Amy here from the Idora Park Experience. So what do you think of my new mask? Tony Amy's making these at the Idora Park Experience. I'm going to turn my phone around now so I can show you. There's all the material with our logo, the iconic Idora Park sign that was on Billingsgate, Canfield Road, and some of the features of her mask that she's making. First of all, it's American cotton, made in USA, and made in USA right here too, the masks themselves. They're pleated, as you can see. She took out all the best features that she could find on the internet. They have the metal nose piece that you can form to fit your nose, whatever size your nose might be or your face might be. And these expand as well, so you can make it fit your face. It's got the elastic cotton ear bands, which are very comfortable. They don't hurt your ears or the side of your head like some of them do. And it's got a pocket in here so you can put a paper towel, napkin, or coffee filters people will use as well. And like I said, they're 100% cotton. And that's her workstation. She's working on more of them. So that's about it. You can get these on our website at www.theidoraparkexperience.com. www.theidoraparkexperience.com. They are $12.99 a piece. That's cheap. And we will send them to you postage paid. So we will pay for the postage. And that's about it. And by the way, Laugh-In-Lena is even wearing one. I'll post a photo of her wearing it. It's a big improvement. Okay, thanks very much. Start ordering because there's a limited quantity. See ya.